Muddled. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Before we talk about the word muddled, magandang magsimula doon sa salitang muddle, a verb, which means to confuse or to mess up, to mix things up, but not in a good way. To remember this better, think of the words mud and puddle. Yung puddle na may mud ay hindi clear ang tubig. So when you muddle something up, hinahaluan mo siya ng putik, lalo siyang lumalabo. Which brings us to the word muddled. Maliban sa past tense ng verb na muddle, ang muddled is an adjective. Ginagamit siya to describe something na confusing or someone who is confused. Someone who has a muddled mind would have a confused mind. Someone who has muddled thoughts would have confusing thoughts. Kaya kung gagamitin natin in a sentence, we could say something like, the guide's instructions were muddled. We all ended up lost. Malabo daw o magulo, confusing yung instructions ng guide, kaya ayun, naligaw silang lahat. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para hindi nyo makalimutan, gamitin nyo a sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.